What if you could recall a life you never lived? A child, barely able to speak, describes a village they've never seen, names people they've never met, or recounts a death they claim to have endured. These aren't just stories. They're documented cases studied by scientists like Dr. Ian Stevenson, who spent decades exploring reincarnation. Is Luan Hoi, the rebirth of the soul, real or is it a myth? Picture your mind as a book with hidden chapters. Reincarnation suggests those chapters span lifetimes, and some people can read them. In this video, we'll uncover the most compelling evidence for reincarnation through 4 key cases of past life memories, backed by science and skepticism. You'll learn what these cases reveal and how to reflect on your own experiences. Ready to explore the mystery of consciousness? Smash that like button if you've ever wondered about past lives, and comment. Have you ever had a déjà vu that felt like another life? Let's dive in. Reincarnation and science. What is reincarnation? Reincarnation, or Luan Hoi, is the belief that a soul is reborn into a new body after death, often shaped by karma, the consequences of past actions. Rooted in Buddhism, Hinduism, and other traditions, it's a concept that spans cultures, from ancient Egypt to Native American tribes. But beyond faith, reincarnation has been studied scientifically through cases where people, especially children, recall specific details of alleged past lives. The scientific approach. Science demands verifiable evidence, and studying reincarnation is challenging due to its subjective nature. Yet, researchers like Dr. Ian Stevenson and Dr. Jim Tucker at the University of Virginia have documented over 2,500 cases of past life memories, with 1,200 verified through objective data like names or locations. A 2017 Journal of Scientific Exploration study noted these cases often occur in children under 5, who spontaneously recall details without apparent coaching. Why children? Their memories emerge before cultural influences take hold, offering a cleaner lens for study. Stevenson identified traits like recalling a past life's death, recognizing past families, or bearing physical marks linked to previous injuries. Let's explore 4 remarkable cases that challenge our understanding of consciousness. 4 compelling case studies of past life memories. Case 1. Shanti Devi, the girl who found her past life. Born in 1926 in Delhi, India, Shanti Devi claimed at age 3 to be Lugdi Devi, a woman who died in childbirth in Mathura, 100 miles away. Shanti described Lugdi's husband, home, and hidden money under a floorboard. At 9, a committee including Mahatma Gandhi's associate investigated. Shanti led them to Mathura, recognized Lugdi's husband and son in a crowd, and spoke the local dialect. Dr. Stevenson verified 24 accurate statements, with no evidence of prior contact. Shanti's specificity and third-party verification are striking. Skeptics suggest coaching or overheard stories, but her age and the distance between families make this unlikely. Her case remains a cornerstone of reincarnation research. Shanti's story suggests memories can bridge lives, raising questions about consciousness. Have you ever felt a strange connection to a place you've never been? Case 2. James Leininger, the World War II pilot reborn. Born in 1998 in Louisiana, USA, James Leininger had nightmares at age 2 about plane crashes. He claimed to be James Houston, a World War II pilot killed when his Corsair was shot down from the USS Natoma Bay. He named his friend Jack Larson and described the plane's mechanics. His parents confirmed the USS Natoma Bay and Houston's death in 1945. James identified Houston's sister in photos and knew aviation details beyond a toddler's grasp. Dr. Jim Tucker documented the case. Occurring in a Christian family skeptical of reincarnation, this case challenges cultural bias. Skeptics propose documentary exposure, but no such influence was found. The emotional intensity of James's nightmares adds weight. Past life memories can emerge anywhere, even in unlikely settings. Ever had a dream that felt too real to be just a dream? Case 3. Swarnlata Mishra, a life of songs and secrets. Born in 1948 in Madhya Pradesh, India, Swarnlata Mishra claimed at 3 to be Bia Pathak from Kutni, 100 miles away. She described Bia's home, family, and death, and performed songs Bia knew. Her father found the Pathak family, and Swarnlata recognized Bia's relatives, sharing private details. Dr. Stevenson confirmed her memories matched Bia's life, with no prior contact between families. Swarnlada's recall of songs and family secrets is compelling. Skeptics suggest social networks, but the distance and her age reduce this likelihood. Her case highlights continuity of skills across lives. Memories may include talents and bonds, not just facts. Have you ever known something you couldn't explain? Case 4. Ma Win Tar, the soldier's birthmark. Born in 1962 in Myanmar, Ma Win Tar claimed at 3 to be a Japanese soldier killed by burning during World War II. She had a chest birthmark matching the burn site and feared fire and Japanese people. Dr. Stevenson found records of similar executions in Myanmar. Her birthmark aligned with burn injuries, and her phobias matched her claimed death. Local villagers corroborated the events. The birthmark and trauma make this case striking. Skeptics suggest cultural storytelling, but the historical accuracy and physical evidence challenge this. Stevenson noted 35% of cases involve birthmarks tied to past life injuries. Past lives may leave physical and emotional traces. Ever noticed a mark or fear you can't explain? Scientific and psychological perspectives. Stevenson's methodology. Dr. Ian Stevenson documented over 2,500 cases, focusing on children to minimize external influence. His methods included interviewing families, cross-referencing claims with records, and examining birthmarks. His 1997 book, Reincarnation and Biology, links 43 cases to past life injuries, like a boy with a scalp birthmark recalling a gunshot. Quantum consciousness. Some scientists, like Dr. Stuart Hameroff, propose consciousness arises from quantum processes in brain microtubules, potentially surviving death. A 2015 study found quantum information can persist in warm environments, suggesting a mechanism for memory transfer. This remains speculative, lacking direct evidence. Psychological explanations. Skeptics offer alternatives. Cryptomnesia. Subconscious recall of forgotten information. False memories, imagination or suggestion, inducible in 30% of children per a 2019 Frontiers in Psychology study. Cultural conditioning. Reincarnation-friendly cultures report 40% more cases. Journal of Cross-Cultural Psychology, 2017. Stevenson's cases often involve details unverifiable by the child's environment, challenging these explanations. Near-death experiences. NDEs. NDEs, where 10% of survivors report past life-like visions, Journal of Near-Death Studies, 2020, are linked to reincarnation but better explained by brain chemistry, e.g., oxygen deprivation. Critiques and challenges. Lack of proof. Reincarnation lacks conclusive proof. Verified details could be coincidence or hidden information. A 2018 Skeptical Inquirer article argues Stevenson's cases don't meet experimental standards. Cultural bias. Most cases occur in reincarnation-friendly cultures, suggesting expectation bias. Western cases are rarer, supporting cultural influence. Ethical concerns. Probing children's memories risks distress. Stevenson prioritized consent, but ethical debates persist. Implications and reflections. Personal impact. Reincarnation challenges views on identity and mortality, encouraging ethical living through karma. Reflecting on these cases fosters self-awareness and curiosity. Societal relevance. This research bridges science and spirituality, promoting open-minded skepticism. With 25% of Americans believing in reincarnation, Psychology Today, 2021, it's culturally significant. Takeaways. Journal Record Déjà Vu or Vivid Dreams. Read, explore Stevenson's 20 cases suggestive of reincarnation. Meditate, clarify your sense of self. We've explored 4 extraordinary cases: Shanti Devi, James Leininger, Swarnlada Mishra, and Ma Win Tar, each hinting at reincarnation's possibility. The science isn't settled, but these stories push us to question consciousness and existence. Challenge. Reflect on a moment that felt oddly familiar. A place, dream, or feeling. Share it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. If this video sparked wonder, like, subscribe and share it with a curious friend. Next week, We'll dive into the science of near-death experiences. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring life's mysteries.